So on its investor day, C3.ai CTO Edward Abbo gave an excellent explanation of how C3.ai is capitalizing on this AI wave. So I thought it'd be important to share with you, those of you interested in C3.ai stock, just how C3.ai is capitalizing from this wave. So let's get right into this brief video. So he starts by explaining how the sale happens. So they're engaging with prospects and customers, identifying a pilot, which is basically deploying their applications into production. The pilot, but it's a use of the application. So that could be one specific use of the C3.ai platform to solve a problem. The problem could be we want to improve our demand forecast, or we want to improve reliability in our manufacturing facility, or we want to increase output. Whatever that one specific use case might be, that enterprises want to use artificial intelligence to solve, C3.ai can go in there and offer them that solution. They can say, hey, give us 3 to 6 months. Let us build out this platform. Let us show you, let us prove to you the value that we can provide. And then we could talk about a sale, a deal, right? So that's the pilot. So many customers have an appetite for putting artificial intelligence everywhere right now, right? That's all the rage. But you have to start somewhere, and that somewhere is the pilot. You pick one specific area to start with. So they get up to 6 months to put an application into production deployment. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it takes 3 months if they're talking about generative AI. So that seems like a long time in today's day and age, 6 months to develop and deploy an enterprise AI application. But it's good that they're saying sometimes it's faster. Sometimes they can get it up and running faster than that. So at the end of that pilot, once they've demonstrated value to the customer, which C3.ai is confident that they can demonstrate value to the customer, well, how can you tell they're confident? Well, otherwise they wouldn't be offering this pilot service, right? Pilot meaning that it's essentially free, a free trial, going into the enterprise saying, hey, give us this opportunity. We'll spend our own resources, our own money to deploy our platform to your enterprise. And we're so confident that it will add value to your business that afterwards we'll talk about a sale. So let us first demonstrate to you the value we can provide, and then we'll talk about a sale. Because first we want to show you the value, and then it'll help us get more revenue in return. So since they've launched this new AI product, their pipeline has basically doubled in qualified opportunities from the previous year. They went from 300 qualified opportunities to over 600 qualified opportunities at the beginning of this year. So a huge jump for C3.ai opportunities available to them. And so what you're going to see in this upcoming quarter is triple the number of pilots that they've actually closed relative to last quarter. So quarter over quarter, they've increased their number of pilots by 3x. 3x. So that's both interesting and cautious at the same time, right? When you think of pilots, these are free trials. So is it that impressive that you tripled the number of free trials? They're free. So I don't know. That remains to be seen at the end of these trials, how many of those pilots they convert into sales, into revenue, into contracts. Then as investors, as analysts, we can say, okay, now you're talking. Now you're moving revenue. Now you're moving numbers. Now money is coming in. Now we can give you credit. Otherwise, free trials, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about that just yet. So we've basically seen a 60% increase in the number of deals. Yes, okay, so we all know that worldwide there's an increase in artificial interest in artificial intelligence, right? But what we don't know yet is how that's going to turn into revenue, how that's going to turn into profits. Right now it's just a lot of interest, a lot of speculation, a lot of this might be this or that might be that, but we don't know yet. It hasn't came down to numbers. Is it just going to be hype? Or is it going to actually result in increases in productivity, increases in efficiency, and increases in revenue and profit? So that remains to be seen. As investors, I would caution you to be skeptical at first, and then once you see the numbers come in, then you can get enthusiastic about the prospects of artificial intelligence. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.